Okay, so this is my video to show that I can create new variables with data sets 1 and 2 from the handout. So I'm going to go ahead and open up SPSS. So first I'm going to go to variable view. For the first name, I'm going to do arousal, gender, and film. I'm going to change the decimals to 0 since there's no decimals in the data that I need to input. For label, I'm just going to put the amount of arousal the participant experienced. For gender, I'll just put gender of participant. For film, I'll put type of film. Then for values, I'm gonna create values for gender and film. So for gender, I'll do 1 for male. Add that. 2 for female. Add that. Hit OK. For film, I'm gonna do 1 for Bridget Jones's diary. Hit add. For 2, I'll do, I believe it's memento. Add that. Hit OK. Most of this I'm just going to keep the same, except I'll change the measure to scale. Then go to data view, and this is how this looks. Now if I hit 1 under gender, it'll go to male. 2 for female. Film will be 1 for Bridget Jones's diary, and 2 will be memento. I'm going to go ahead and show you the finished data set that I did earlier. So this is what it looks like all filled in. Next, I'm gonna do the data set for data set 2. Go to variable view. Do baseline. Tongue pulling. Artery massage, and then this one will be digital rectal massage. Again, I'm going to change these decimals here. For label, I'll put number of hiccups that the participant had before treatment. This one I'll do number of hiccups the participant had during tongue pulling. Number of hiccups the participant had during artery massage. And then number of hiccups the participant had during digital rectal massage. Let me fix that. I'm not gonna change anything for these ones. I'll go ahead and do scale, or not scale. Well, actually, yeah, it'll be scale for all of these. This is how it looks in the data view. Gonna go ahead and show you the finished look. This is all of this input, or inputted. And yeah, that's it.